Alright, so I'll show you. I got reusable diapers here. Putting them in the washing machine. It's a front loader. Some people say that doing front load washing of diapers is not as effective. I think it all just depends on what kind of washing machine you have. And all we do is we take the bags, then turn them inside out. Boom. Boom. Throw it in. Now, this washing machine has a sensor that tells you how much the things are still soiled that are in the washer itself, and as water goes out, it measures it. So these are the settings I do. So go here, go to heavy duty, change the temp, and if you want, you can do a pre-wash where you would put something like this in. Zout. It's a good enzyme remover. And then I just use normal formula, normal detergent. Fill it up to the line-ish. You don't really need to, honestly. Close it. If you want to bleach your diapers, that's a good thing to do every once in a while, to strip them, and then this is where you'd put those out, in that one there. So temp is up. You can do extra rinses on this particular model. So if I wanted to do a rinse, you can do 2 rinses, 3 rinses, but we're not going to do any. We're just going to keep it hot, run it normal, soil, heavy, and if you want to do a pre-wash, do it there. Start it up and set it and forget it. In about a little under 3 hours, it'll be ready, but it measures kind of the density of the clothing at first, which is neat. So it will turn it in a way to kind of balance the load. Yep. So that's it. Thanks for tuning in.